What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that app. Where you at? What's your name? Emoji sign.
Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I am going to review this GoPro Hero 8, and in this video I am going to test the quality. I will be also using some of the gadgets that we can hold the GoPro with. Also I will be explaining how to set these up and how you can best use these for your advantage. This is the monopod for our GoPro, and this is also adjustable. We can adjust this to whatever angle we so desire. We also have this piece that we have to screw on the top of it. Then we tighten this area here. So for our GoPro, we can put this on the monopod. By doing so, we need to unscrew this. Then we put our GoPro down, make sure that it is perfectly aligned, and then we screw back this in and ensure that it is in tight enough. So we can use this as an extension to do our videos. It's actually very long, and we can also use this to put the GoPro under water. I am demonstrating that we can actually use this as a selfie to do videos. So I actually just showed you how to use the monopod with the GoPro. So for this one, if you see that in your pack there's something like this, this is actually for your hand, and this is for us to use. You need to strap this on, and then you need to run this around and push this right through here. You want to strap this on your hand like a watch. Then you want to put the GoPro on. As you can see, they need to be perfectly aligned. Then we are going to push these down. Then we are going to put the screw in. We can use this to do videos. So let me go and power on the GoPro. And this is actually how we can use this on our hand wherever we go to take a video. So we can use this for us to see as well, and we can do a video looking at ourselves. So for this gadget here, this is actually a holder for the GoPro, and we can actually do a video while walking around. So I am going to demonstrate to you how to put this on. I want to put this on like this. Like this. You want to hold the back strap. You want to bring this around like this. You can also make adjustments by tightening this area here. So what we are going to do here, we need to slide this down into the tray area here. Then we need to align our GoPro like this. Then we can tighten things up. What we have here is the headband. I'm going to show you exactly how to put this on and how we can use this effectively if you are doing hiking, or if you are doing a walk, or you're doing project and you want to take a video from looking down or just from that angle. This can be a very ideal tool to utilize. We are talking about the GoPro Hero 8, and this will actually help you a lot in a lot of tight spots, especially if you will want your hands to be free. And if you are doing videos, tutorials, you're doing repairs, you are riding a bike, there are a lot of different things you can do with this GoPro camera. So guys, this is just the headpiece that we are demonstrating, and this is actually how you put this on. And you want to make sure that your screw is in tight as well. And this is also adjustable. By looking down, you can actually be doing a video from this angle very easily. So guys, it's an amazing part. So if you do purchase one of these, you will want to include this headband, or you can probably purchase this separately. It's up to you, but to be honest guys, this is it. Guys, this is actually the kit with everything in it. We have everything displayed here, some of which we showed in this video. We have these for underneath of the water to keep the camera floating, and also we have a small tripod here that can be useful, but also it's a bit weak at the top. And we do have some other gadgets here as well. These two can go together. Let me show you. And this is adjustable as well. We can tighten this up as well. So guys, we have a lot of different gadgets here for different projects, and we can style and use as how we so desire. And for the GoPro Hero 8, this is an amazing action camera guys, and the quality is very good. We can scale this up to 4K. We have 1080/120, which is super view. We also have activity there, 1080p by 60, which is super view. At the moment, we have the settings on standard, which is 1080p by 60 wide. So that's just a few things on the setting really. And this is actually a video that we did earlier. So guys, for this GoPro action camera, I hope that you find this review useful to you, and also you can find links in the video description where you can get the exact same GoPro action camera. This version is the Hero 8 Black. So let me just give you a quick rundown of the camera itself. We have the power button here. We have the select button on the top. This is to take pictures, also videos, and this is to start and stop a video. And this is actually a touch screen as well. You can actually navigate to the different settings and features on this action cam. By the side here is where the charging port is, and also the battery as well. To open this, you need to slide down the corner, and then you need to push this outwards. You can see that we have the battery there, and also USB port, and we also have the SD card port as well. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. Like, share, subscribe, and also do subscribe to YDLF Vlogs. It will be in the description, and also it will be on this video screen at the top. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff.